Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Yellow Pen, and in today's video we will be discussing Fulton County prosecutors filing a motion against Young Thug for reposting a photo of someone else sharing a witness's information. Now, some might say that this is very threatening, but we will see how the judge rules in this motion. Let's take a look to see what happened. Recently, Atlanta prosecutors filed a motion to revoke rapper Young Thug's probation, alleging that his social media activity endangered a district attorney's investigator and compromised ongoing legal proceedings. Specifically, they cited on April 1st post where Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, shared a photo of investigator Marissa Violating, labeling her as the biggest liar in the DA office. Prosecutors argued that this post led to threats against Violating and her family, asserting that it violated the terms of his probation. In response, Young Thug's legal team contended that he did not intend to threaten or harm anyone, emphasizing his commitment to promoting peace and love. They also stated that he was unaware of any restrictions regarding posting the investigator's image. On April 3rd, 2025, Judge Paige Reese Whittaker ruled on the matter, declining the prosecutor's request to revoke Young Thug's probation. The judge determined that the social media post did not constitute a probation violation, but advised Williams to exercise caution on social media in the future. District Attorney Fani Willis is basically saying that Young Thug, because of his action of resharing a photo of an investigator that is a part of the DA's office, that is posing a threat to the DA's office, and not only the DA's office, the witness and everyone else who is involved within this case, within the parameters of the case. So Fanny is saying that since sentencing, the defendant has engaged in conduct that directly threatens the safety of witnesses and prosecutors, compromises ongoing legal proceedings, and that behavior warrants immediate revocation of his probation. Investigator Marissa Violating is currently testifying in a multi-defendant gang murder preliminary hearing, which remains ongoing and is set to reconvene on Monday, April 7th. During this hearing, the court explicitly ordered that the witness will not be shown on television while testifying. Despite this order, a known blogger deliberately violated the court's order by posting on social media she doesn't want to be shown on screen. Well, here she is, along with the photograph. So while the blogger posted the information of the investigator's address and information, and Young Thug reposting it, that showed the threat Fanny was talking about. And so let's hear what Fanny has to say about it.
We know that it is clear to Mr. Williams that the intent of the district attorney is to stop gang activity in Fulton County, Georgia. We believe the judges believe that his post was to threaten law enforcement, which is all part of gang activity.
Jeffrey Williams' attorney Brian Steele told me by phone it is never appropriate to be engaged in any type of witness intimidation. It is never appropriate to threaten to murder another person. The prosecution's motion to revoke Jeffrey's probation should not be well received and should be swiftly rejected. It is irresponsible to file a motion of this sort when Jeffrey has done absolutely nothing, Steele said, to violate any condition of probation or threaten a witness.
We know that it is clear to Mr. Williams that the intent of the district attorney is to stop gang activity in Fulton County, Georgia. We believe the judge's order is...
So Young Thug's legal team is saying, look, Young Thug is not directly related to another person, a third party, who shared a witness's information. He doesn't know what restrictions he has on what he can and cannot post on social media. And he is also not directly tied to the blogger, which means he is not out here saying and putting this information about witness intimidation. It's the bloggers. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Paige Reese Whittaker said in an order Thursday that she had reviewed Willis's filing and a response by Young Thug's attorney and declined to revoke his probation. While the court does not find that the cited social media posts rise to the level of a violation of defendant's probation, it may be prudent for a defendant to exercise restraint regarding certain topics. So the judge is saying, look, Young Thug resharing a post does not rise to the level of witness intimidation. However, he does need to be more self-aware of the things he posts, are the things that he attaches himself to, so that it does not rise to the level of witness intimidation, because anything that rises to the level of witness intimidation will be a direct violation of his probation. So the judge let him off on basically a warning, and he declined Fanny's motion. But let me know your thoughts. Please drop a comment below. Do you think that the judge made a mistake on declining Fanny's motion? And do you think Young Thug should have had his probation revoked? Or do you think that the judge made a great decision in declining to revoke his probation? Because, reposting a post on social media that you didn't directly put out, you shouldn't get your whole probation revoked for that. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great Sunday.